How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you the best settings for your DJI Action 4 camera. So basically, the first thing that you want to do is to, of course, open up the camera right here. Now, of course, we have different use cases for our camera, but I suggest selecting the resolution first right here. Now, I'm really sorry if my camera is a bit blurry, so let's go ahead and make sure that it's on focus right here. And then the first thing that you want to do is to, of course, select your resolution. So in my case, I'm using the 2.7K 16:9 resolution. In my case, this is the best of both worlds. Basically, the 1080p is the lowest resolution that our camera can support. But if you want to get those high resolution preset, and at the same time you're not taking too much space, I suggest choosing the 2.7K 16:9 resolution. You can go up a little bit higher, maybe 4K, but it will go ahead and take a lot of space, so just make sure to take a note of that. Now for frame rate, I also suggest using 30. Basically, there isn't much difference for something like 25 right here, but if you want to get those high resolution video clips, then you could choose something like 60, but of course 30 is good enough. And if you're more onto sports, you could also click on this button right here, which is the Rock Steady preset. Basically, with this one, it will allow the camera to be stabilized, especially during using on bumpy rides like this one. Your camera will basically stabilize it on itself. But if you're just using it mainly for filming, then you could turn this setting off. Now heading over to our main setting, which is going to be by clicking this one, we can navigate through the exposure, the ISO, the color, and more. So if you want to edit out the colors of your DJI camera, you could just select the automatic or the normal color for this one. But if you're more onto the color correction on your video editor, you can then make sure to click on this option and then select D-Log. Basically, it makes easier to edit or to color correct our video. Now, if you don't have an ND filter, basically it's the shades for your camera. You could just select automatic for exposure, because the exposure option right here is a little bit complex. So for beginners, I suggest just choosing the automatic for exposure. For the WB, you want to select AWB. For the FOV, you could simply select the ultra wide option to make sure that you capture all of your shots perfectly. And for the image adjustment, just select default. And by the way, you could edit out this setting by making sure that you have selected the Pro option right here. Now for our mic setting, by clicking on this menu, you want to select the channel for mono. But of course, it can totally depend on your use case scenario. In my case, I'm using mono right here. And lastly, for the noise reduction, I'm going to set it to standard. And so that's basically the best settings for our DJI camera. Once again, we have different use cases. You could just edit out the resolution if you want to, but that's going to be it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.